Hello, Peter here. Guys, so today I've got a question to anybody who wants to answer. If no, I'll figure it out something. I'm watching channel of Robert Murray Smith. I'll pause and I'll check what's his proper name of the YouTube channel. Oh yes, so I'm a subscriber. Not only subscriber but with perks. Yes, it's like Fiverr or something. But what I want to say is, that's a really good guy if you want to use improvement, if you want to just learn, yes, about technologies, mainly about power, batteries, like wind turbines and so on. He's really trying. He's got 262 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers at the moment of the recording. Really nice guy. And because of the prices of the heating and of the electricity, I would like to add some small projects. Yes, so I've ordered solar cells and I want to do some heating as well. Okay, but the problem with heating is that I'm in the building which is not isolated very well. It's rented, so I can't do anything about it. I can't do a passive house or something. So in that case, I can only adapt to the existing heating, central heating. And I was thinking to experiment on this room to get something like a sand battery, okay, or terracotta battery or bricks battery, that the heat which would be generated here would go to that would heat up and that would hold heat for a longer time. Yes, so I was thinking either use some old oil, yes, or use some different type of oil, or maybe some lard or something, yes, that what we've got as a leftover, not as a as a new product that I will go and buy oil or something, yes, no, but just just use something used, yes, to have it as a heater, additional heater. And then if I would have this battery, like either sun battery or or brick battery or terracotta battery, yes, then it could hold a heat for extended period of time. And yes, that would occupy the space, yes, that's true. Yes, that wouldn't be the safest solution, but it's a room where I'm sitting most of the time, so I would look after it. Plus, I love tinkering. I could do extra sensors, yes, so I could put on Linux or on Windows or my Raspberry Pi, I could put some Arduino or something that anything what could be harmful for me, I could mount the sensor on. I would do it, yes. So so it wouldn't be as problematic as for an average person would be, yes. So I'm thinking what to do, how to do it, and I will start probably of something really simple. And if you have any things which you could adapt to it that I could try, maybe I can consider it as well. For sure I want to do something, the first one, yes, I want to do something extremely simple and extremely cheap. So let's say 5 to 10 pounds range, yes, if possible less, but 5 to 10 pounds range. If I can do it and if I can heat up this room, that it will increase me temperature of few more degrees, so that's mean at least 2 or more. Please keep in mind that this computer here, which you are having this video from, that producing some heat as well, okay, and that's going to the air, and that doesn't heat, apart from the air, it doesn't heat, so it doesn't have a battery, yes, so that's a bad thing. So I don't want to modify this computer at this stage, but I was thinking that I could do other stuff, yes, like a Raspberry Pi on steroids, and that could generate the heat into something like the battery, sun battery or something, or use other stuff, yes, which could radiate the temperature over there. and that's later, you know, that's more advanced, and that will take time, probably next year or something. But in this year, you know, I would like to make something extremely simple, so that it's duplicable. Yes, if somebody is not afraid in their own environment to test it out and do it on their own, then why not? So yeah, that's my plan, and I will think of something. If no, I will only do solar cells to solar panels this year, and then the next year I will be, you know, trying to adapt maybe wind turbine or something else, or maybe I will do some extremes like this heater for the room, because then we can recuperate it. Yes, we can circulate the air from this room to another. If this would be too hot, I can circulate this room temp to, you know, to another room and heat up that room. Yes, and then, you know, I could circulate the temp to another and another room. Yes, so if that, I wouldn't call it as another fly. See, flies, they like this house. But anyways, what I want to say is that, you know, we can always do something more. Yes, without integrity, without Intecracy, you know, we can't do more. Yes, so that's why let's integrate, let's do something more, let's start commenting on those videos. What does it cost you to put a line of a text? Yes, okay, I'm with you, or, you know, to me, you know, like whatever. But, you know, start interaction. Yes, integrity is better than just watching. Yes, doing is better than watching. And if we will integrate, yes, the world will start to become better because of us. Yes, not that it's worse, but it, you know, it's harder and harder for most people. That's why we need the Intecracy. Yes, if somebody don't know what the Intecracy is, go down to the description of this video. There's a whole link about it, you can read it. Yes, that's about us, by the way. But that's it in this video. I don't know if you want to like it, but thank you for watching. That's really appreciated. We've got 82 subscribers at the moment of the recording, which is 28th of September 2022. I know I could shave, I don't care. But anyways, thank you for watching, guys. If possible, see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.